So I just got 2 live plants from Bob Wells Nursery. These are Red Jim Goumi plants. I need this variety because I have sweet scarlet variety, but I don't have the pollinating pear, which is Red Jim. Open this box. This is a big box. Curious how this is gonna look. All right, come in here. Come over here and look at this. Okay, so we have 2 trees in the box there. Right. These are good sized trees. I just hope they don't have too much transport shock. Okay. Let me pull these out. See what we have here. It's very hot today. Let me put this on the ground. These are really good sized trees. Alright, we try not to break it as much as possible. That's one. And this is 2. So again, this is the Red Jim Goumi berry. Red Jim Goumi berry. I have 2 of these that I bought. Okay. And they look like they're pretty healthy. They're gonna need to, I'll keep them in a shady area for a little bit. Looks like we have a little bit of insects on there, maybe some aphids. But I will get that taken care of. Either it's aphid or that's some kind of insect on there. Someone can tell me what that is, what kind of insect those are on the plant. But I will, before I put them on in the orchard, I'm gonna powder this thing with some diatomaceous earth, probably. Clean it up. And I put one of the Goumi plants here. As you can see, this is the Red Jim variety, next to my sweet scarlet variety right here. And this one is starting to recover. I had some deer damage, but you see starting to put on all new leaves, which is great. And since this one has just been planted, I'm gonna water it in to reduce the chance of transplant shock. Very hot today. It's like 97 degrees. Not the best time to transplant, but as long as it stays watered, it should be fine. So I'm hoping these two will, when they get larger, they will cross-pollinate each other. So this is a sweet scarlet variety, red gem variety, and over here, over here is another sweet scarlet variety of Goumi. So hopefully this one is a little bit further away. Hopefully they can still cross-pollinate each other. Those are the Goumi plants in the upper garden. In the lower garden, I put the other one right here. As you can see, I'm also going to water this one in. It's very hot today. Great. So this is the red gem here, and I have two sweet scarlets. One right here. That's it right there. And then the other one is right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. And these are much larger than the ones in the upper garden. Two reasons. One is I didn't have any deer damage down here, and also it seems like they like to be on this hill for some reason. So hopefully these two, this one, and this one can kind of cross-pollinate each other, the red gem and the two sweet scarlet Goumi berries.